It's him and I, Aquemini.
What's going on YouTube? This is Marcos from Aquemini Pressure Washing, and I'm back again with another video. In this video, we're going to do some concrete cleaning. Now, Aqueminites, this is what we have. We have concrete cleaning underneath this deck, which I just got through cleaning along with this house. So if you want to see the video, click right there in the corner and you can see that video right there. Okay, as you can see, it's got a lot of leaves and stuff. We're going to blow this off with a pressure washer before we take the surface cleaning and do it. I'm not going to treat this because I cleaned this house and cleaned the deck. All the SH that I put up there rinse down here. So this is covered, and as if you can look, it's brown and not black. So that means it's ready to clean. So like I said, the only thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my one, we're gonna rinse everything off, and then we're gonna take the surface cleaner and clean everything down, and then we're gonna end it by doing a post treatment. All right, let's go. So as you can see, I'm just cleaning all the debris and stuff off of it, and then I'm gonna do a cut in around the walls. Keep in mind, when you finish this, you need to make sure that you rinse the walls off, because all the dirt and stuff that you just washed is gonna get on the walls. All right, we're gonna go ahead and finish around the walls real quick. And just in case you wanna know, this is a turbo nozzle. So when I get to the corners, I need to come out at least 20 inches or so, because the surface cleaner is not going to get in the corners real good. Same thing around the post. I'm gonna at least come out at least about 10 inches. That way, that'll be clean too. cut in done, I'm gonna go ahead and take my white tip. I'm gonna go ahead and brush everything off. Then I'm gonna come back with the surface cleaner. You don't want to do that. If you do, like I'm doing, make sure you're back at least about 4 feet or so. Now, I just got through washing this house, so I know what to expect. If you're at a house where you didn't wash it, do not do this with a high pressure tip, because the house could be oxidated and you're going to leave marks on the wall. You don't want to do that. Alright, let's go ahead and get the surface cleaner going, and we're going to go ahead. Alright guys, let's go. Let's see. We all set. Let's go. Man, ever since I put the new tips on this, it's been cleaning so much better. So if you want to see how to replace tips, make sure that you click on that video right there. Alright guys, I'm really finished. I'm just going over it just a little bit so it won't have no lines, and also try to get more of this red dirt up. Alright, don't forget the walls. Like I said, I'm gonna use this white tip, but I'm standing back like about 4 feet or so. Now I have a little mark right here, like from a barbecue grill. It could be something else. Could be some grease or something. We're gonna try to get it off with the turbo nozzle, but I don't think it's coming up. Yep, it's not coming up. All right, let me go ahead and turn the pressure wash off, and we can wrap up this video. Alright guys, this is the final product. I got everything clean. Notice I cleaned the walls off and everything. There's a lot of red dirt down here, so that's not going to come up, but it's going to look good compared to the mold that was down here. So if you look at it, I got everything around the walls and around the posts like you're supposed to, so that's what cut-in does. Got all the leads up, pushed everything out here. That looks good. Alright, Aqueminites, that's going to do it for this video. I hope that you found it entertaining. If not, I hope that you learned something from it. If you didn't, go back and look at the video because you skipped over the good parts. Once again, if you're a subscriber to the channel, thank you for subscribing to the channel. And if you're new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. This is Marcos from Aquemini Pressure Washing, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
It's him and I, Aquemini.